With this channel, we're going to be sharing recipes and experiences. Living in New Zealand with its great produce and amazing landscape, it really is a paradise to behold. Home for the last 14 years, I'm originally from Kent in the UK. I've worked in hospitality all my life and now want to share some of the skills, tricks, recipes and techniques that will help you to make cooking one of the greatest pleasures of the day. Now, I'm no fisherman, or at least I didn't used to be. Took up the sport when I first moved to New Zealand, and now I fish from a sea kayak, and included on the channel, I'm going to share some of my experiences fishing around the coast of New Zealand. Now, come along for the ride and take a sneak peek into New Zealand culture. Don't want to miss a video? Then just press the red subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will mean you're not going to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.